here on Diverse FM 102.8, London's biggest underground station. We will be back very, very soon, guys, so do stay tuned. No set date of return as yet. I've got a few personal problems that I am trying to deal with, family life and things like that, but I will be returning. Sorry for any confusion to any of our listeners that have been wondering what the hell is going on with us, on air, off air, closed down, reopened. I can understand how very confusing it is for you guys. It's just as confusing for us. This is not what we want for Diverse FM 102.8. We're hoping to stabilise everything and become that reliable station that you guys love very, very much, and we can come back eventually and do 3 hours a night, 7 days a week, and become that reliable station that we used to be. So please don't lose faith in us, guys. We will be back. Obviously keep an eye on our fan page on Facebook for any updates of return, and the same with our partners Jordingle FM. He's due to come back soon. Keep an eye on his fan page as well on Facebook, and he will update that when he's ready to return with his relaunch. Don't miss us too much, guys. Thank you for tuning in on this crazy little audio test. This wasn't a real show, but hopefully you enjoyed the little muck around with the tunes, a little bit of Nintendo Tetris drum and bass remix, Inspector Gadget drum and bass, and we threw in a bit of dubstep as well. So overall that was pretty damn cool. I enjoyed that. Well, thanks for listening, guys. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you all again soon. Peace. Okay, guys, now it's really over. Thanks. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.